Hey guys, I'm Malvina. This is my handsome handy husband Connor, and this is Finn, currently freeloading rent-free in my belly. Together, we're Alivo Sailing. After years of prepping this old girl for the ocean, we finally left Marina del Rey in October 2024 and sailed south through Mexico, across the Pacific, and all the way to New Zealand. We've made some life-changing memories, seen some incredible things, and laughed a lot along the way. Now we are back in California working our butts off here. But sprinkled in between the JOBs are some fun activities. Today we're going on a road trip because Connor had to take a job in Palm Springs. So you know what I said, isn't it take your wife to work week? Especially a wife that is 39 weeks pregnant. You just can't leave me alone. So this will be the last episode where I'm super pregnant because Finn just cannot wait to meet you all.
So since I am officially 39 weeks pregnant, we have turned this week into take your wife to work day.
Little last minute baby moon.
I don't know about baby moon. We were in Laguna Beach. We had a lot of fun in Laguna Beach because it was the weekend. Connor didn't have to work. We hung out on the beach and had a short work day on Monday, and so we transitioned because he now has to work in Palm Desert, Acatia, or Indian Wells, and he's bringing me to work.
We're taking the scenic route because it's a beautiful morning, and we're going to show you some sunrise clips here. Driving through Anza.
Wait, this is not a good view. Teach me how to use a hammer today?
A hammer?
Multi-tool?
Get you a little energy today. Get you zapped up. Get used to it.
Get zapped. We're getting electrical today. He's actually just dropping me off at a coffee shop. So I'll be close by. Yesterday was kind of like a take your wife to work kind of day. So I got to hang out and see Connor working hard all day, and I actually got invited to his client's house. They had a beautiful house overlooking Palm Springs, and I just got to enjoy, do some editing, get all these videos all lined up. And I have a client that owns this hotel, Ace Hotel in Palm Springs. And so today I'm just living my best life. I'm gonna go to the pool and check it out, but here's a little preview of our little room here. We got upgraded to the patio and fireplace. Love it. Our little nook for the night. Boho vibes. Super comfy bed. The only downside of this is there is no coffee maker. There is like a coffee bar with, or excuse me, a mini bar with like a ton of alcohol and the booze in there, But we have no coffee maker, but our little hipster bathroom. Keep from going to the pool. Belly out in full force. Finn has to be coming in like a day or two. My prediction is that he's coming Friday. That's in 2 days. Woo! We're gonna be a family of 3. We're so excited.
Loving the amenities at Ace Hotel, and I did all that I could the next morning to encourage Finn to come out, but he just loved his little home. So I continued to just live my life, working out daily, eating healthy, until Connor's mom said you have to eat some cheesecake. All my babies come after some cheesecake. So I threw the dates and red raspberry tea down, and instead we downed a slice of cheesecake with some hot cocoa. And what do you know? Well, next episode you'll meet our baby boy Finn. We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day and see you next episode.